is my brother? Why isn't he eating with us?
Don't say his name. That useless, irresponsible boy, I don't want to hear about him. Enough, Milo. You come here every day just to eat for free. Today, you will get no food at all. Get out! Leave my house right now! Do not come back until you earn $500!
What should I do now? Where can I get that much money? I don't know where to go. Why does my stepmother hate me so much?
Friends, I really need your help. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep working hard and never give up. Friends, please come and buy a balloon from me. They are bright and full of happiness. Your support really helps me. It helps me. I'm still short on money. I tried my best.
Here, my friend, take this. You saved my life. This is my way of saying thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, buddy. You helped me when I had nothing. I will never forget this.
You're my friend. Friends help each other.
Stop right there. Where is the money you talked about?
It's inside the box.
Oh, this is real money. I was wrong. You really did it. Welcome home.